to another video. We're here with Supercar Driven right now. Thank you for tuning in with us today. We're going to be racing a couple cars today. Salam has come with me today to race the God of War.
Driver's not here today. I'm capable, but I'm in my old age. I'm not crazy about doing 150, 160 and stuff.
I guess I'm racing today. I didn't know that.
Well, we'll see. I mean, we'll see if we can get some races in. We can have one of you guys drive it or something.
We'll get some racing. Let's get
some
in.
in. Some friendly, nothing crazy, nothing too crazy. But mostly for me, I mean, my biggest thing is racing the C8. Obviously, it's a stock C8, stock Hellcat. The C8s are making a lot of power right now, stock right out of the box. Obviously, being a mid-engine car with all-wheel drive and being a lot lighter than my boat, it's a very, very well put-together car by Chevy. So we're going to see how it goes toe-to-toe in a dig and a roll race, and we'll go from there and see how it goes.
They can plan out everything up.
Oh, they do. Okay.
And then, especially at night, because people are here at night.
I live the next street over. So
God of War?
Yes, it's one person in particular that calls up. Last thing you guys are here taking pictures of your sweet rides and stuff, and just
because they had nice little backdrop and everything, but not a problem.
just be out here in a few minutes and drive calmly as you go out that way. Gotcha. No one says it.
Thank you for being cool.
All right, gentlemen, you guys take care.
We got the God of War racing against the Hellcat. We're going to see how it goes. My guess would be the God of War is going to own it, but those Hellcats are hella fast.
All right, we'll do the Corvette now.
Now it's the Hellcat's turn.
Yeah. Jesus. Yeah, no, the way that thing sounds when it goes past.
Bro, I had to hold my ear when I'm passing you.
Oh, really?
Your shit's so loud.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't think it's that loud.
No, it's loud.
All right, guys, I think we got one more race. We got one more.
When you're full on it, it's loud as fuck, bro.
Yeah.
Everything, you ready? I'm ready.
Guys, that was the ride. I mean, that was amazing. There was some big old flames coming out of the back there. Crazy. That's gnarly. Come on, get over. I want to race. I want to go fast. That's what Ricky Bobby said. He said, I want to go fast.
Nah, he heard that. He don't want no parts of this.
Yeah.
Got open road.
Oh, yeah, boy. Oh, that's fast as fuck. Oh my goodness. Oh, hey, that guy said we were shooting big fat flames, so I wouldn't doubt it. That's fast! And it moves, baby, it moves!
I'm over here trying to keep quiet, like, oh shit! Oh, that is crazy!
Alright guys, that was the GTR, guys. Map 2, 900 horsepower. Absolutely insane the way that this car pulls, guys. We have everything on, it's in park. Wow. Wow, wow, wee wah. My viewers, go ahead and check out Supercar Driven. They are a bunch of great guys and lady. You guys are great. Thanks for having me out tonight. The races were fun, and we went fast, and Mexico was fun. We'll have to do it again. All right, guys. Huge shout out again to Supercar Driven for letting me take out their cars today, as well as for the friendly races. That was so much fun. One of the best days I've had in my entire life. Super, super amazing cars. I didn't get to drive the Maserati today, but that has like a Ferrari engine in it, which is pretty insane. So I guess it revs up really, really high. God of War, ridiculous fast, and the McLaren, super fast, and like the pops, the loudness, the exhaust, that's the best part of that. It was really, really cool, and I really appreciate the experience that everybody gave me here from Supercar Driven. So like I said, guys, make sure you guys go and subscribe to them. If you guys enjoyed this video today, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Please drop a like and comment for me what you'd like to see in the next few videos. If there's anything we can do with them again, we'll be seeing a lot more of them in the future. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and we'll see you in the next one.